Ay, sorry. Hindi ko nakakalimutan. Record natin. Record. Ano na? May nag-record na. Sige. Yeah. So again, last time we discussed about data preparation, and I demonstrated some code on how you will get data from the internet, from your local computer, and the built-in data sets in RStudio. So this time, we'll use the built-in data sets para mas mabilis yung processing. Kasi again, if you are processing data from a different location, for example, the internet or a separate server, it will take time for the R compiler to download the data. Okay. So under packages, we need to ensure that dataset is checked. This one. So it will include the package in your script. And we need to also check the graphics package so that it will be included in the compilation of your script. Okay, so I'll be discussing basic data visualization like box plot, um, bar plot, and histogram. Yeah. These are the basic data visualization built in R. And how will you get the documentation of this um, function, data visualization function? So here, so in Google, just type R documentation. And the first link, which is www.rdocumentation.org, that is a website where you can download the documentation about these functions. And here, just type graphics. Search and click the latest version, which is graphics version 3.6.2. So these are the functions included in the graphics package. So this graphics package is actually similar to this, the R graphics package. Actually, using your RStudio, if you don't have internet connection, you can also use this help file to check the documentation of a certain function. Last time we discussed plot. So, tingnan natin. Sorry, dito talaga. Okay. Kulang ata. Pero meron naman. Okay. So it's here. It's the same. So tingnan natin sa web. Let's look for the bar plot. So ito siya. This is the function name. These are the parameter or arguments. Let's check if it's the same. Creates a bar plot with vertical horizontal bars, bar plot height. So these are the arguments. And let's check. So it's the same. Okay. Yeah. So box plot muna. A bar plot muna. So the function to create a bar plot is just type bar plot, and you will see this IntelliSense and the description. It's a bar plot with vertical or horizontal bars. and your data is Irish. This is the Irish dataset we manipulated last time. And if you will notice, as I type the Irish, an IntelliSense appeared. This is because we included in the package dataset. This is checked, meaning your compiler is including the datasets in this dataset library to your code. Okay? In Irish dataset, we have 5 columns. Kasi di ba pa, yung Irish dataset represented to na parang table which has 150 records with 5 columns. So, plug and click run. So this is the output. Simple as that. Of course, there are other arguments, and to separate an argument to another argument in this bar plot, you just need to include comma. So yung syntax niya, bar plot function, your data to be manipulated, and comma, then the other argument. Let's say, let's change the color of this bar plot to green. So let's check the documentation. So height, let's look for the color here. So call a vector of colors of bars or bar components. By default, gray is used. Kaya nga, gray ito. So, okay. So, call, and we will notice as I type call, this IntelliSense appears. So, meaning these are the different properties or arguments that you can use. So, hindi mo rin siya kailangan i-memorize, hindi ka rin magkakamali kasi meron na siyang intelligent listing. So, the value of colors is in a character form. So, let's use green. Yan. So, our bar plot is now green. Okay? And there are bar plots na ano siya. Ito kasi vertical na horizontal. So, comma, let's change the representation of the bar plot instead of vertical, horizontal. Okay, dito. Horis. A logical value, ibig sabihin yung value lang niya, false or true. If false, the bars are drawn vertically with the first bar to the left. If true, the bars are drawn horizontally with the first at the bottom. Okay, so it's horis equal sign true. So naging true siya. Kaya lang yung green na color hindi siya gumana. Probably this is the result of the horis. Or probably sa Windows. Ano yan? Oh, green sa'yo?
Gumana po, sir, yung green.
Okay, so that's good. Ibig sabihin may problema yung computer ko, yung compiler. Kasi this should be green. Sa akin hindi gumagana. Probably I need to install some dependencies. I-check ko na lang mamaya kasi it will take time kung i-update ko to na RStudio. So, like this. Pag naman false, and it's good na some of you are already doing this demonstration. And another thing, you can actually, kasi dito, diba, if there are too many arguments, pwedeng dito meron ka ditong xlab, yan, ganyan, na hindi na nakikita yung screen mo. You can actually put this down by pressing enter. And meron siya automatic indentation. Okay lang naman yan. So xlab, ang ibig sabihin ng xlab? Xlab height. Xlab, the label for the x-axis. Label for the x-axis. So x and y, di ba? So sabihin natin this is the frequency. Parang baliktad. Y labata. Y lab is the frequency. Okay. And probably frequency ba to? Mali. Tama yung kanina. And Y lab. This is petal with the values. Value. Yan. Enter. Yan. Yan. So value and frequency. And normally, dapat may name dito. So hanapin natin dito. Name. Okay. Overall subtitle of the plot. Okay, so main. Comma, main. Irish dataset. Irish sepal with dataset. So ito. Ayan na. Okay. And you can save this. How do you export this in your MS Word or in PDF file? Just click this one. Export, save as PDF or image. So, pwede naka-landscape siya, portrait, directory. So, ilagay ko dito sa documents or say this is my dito lang ulit sa desktop para madaling hanapin. Open. So, Irish dataset. Saan na? Parang hindi ko na save. Wait lang. Export as PDF. rplot1. rplot1. Sige. Ito na. Yan. Ito na siya. Of course, yung ano nito, yung itsura, pwede nyo pang pagandahin using those different arguments. Actually, dito sa pag-export, pwede nyo palitan yung dimension nyo. Ito, width and height. So, pwede nyo palitan yung height niya, gawin lang natin 200. Tapos, preview. Yan, ganyan. Pangit naman pala. Yan. Then, click save. rplot2. So, rplot2. Matagal siya mag-generate ng PDF file. Hindi agad-agad lumalabas. Pero it will generate. Ito na. Sorry, taas. Yan. Okay, so it can be a PDF, it can be a PNG. So other data type, it can be, you can copy it to the clipboard. Ibig sabihin nito, pag sabi clipboard, ano siya, it's a space in your computer that temporarily save an image or a text in the buffer, computer's memory. Pero pag in-off mo siya, mawawala siya doon. So, ibig sabihin, copy to clipboard, andun siya sa, sa buffer. So, copy plot, tapos pwede mong ilagay sa Word. Tapos here, I can just paste it here. Paste. Yan. So, pwede mo na siya dito gawing report. Kasi nasa siya, nasa clipboard. Ang ibig sabihin ng clipboard. Okay? So the next data visualization function is about box plot. Ito na bar plot, for sure, this is very elementary to you kasi tingin ko alam naman tulad ng lahat. Yung medyo complicated dito, which is about the statistics, is box plot. Box plot. So let's check the documentation kung paano ginagawa yung box plot. So box plot. Produce a box and whisker plots of a given group values. Yan. Actually, hindi ko siya may discuss into detail kasi I am not a statistician. Pero the way I interpret it, ano lang siya, it shows the minimum quartile, the median quartile, and the maximum quartile. Pag sinabing quartile, 1/4 ng buong data mo. Kaya quartile. So, tingnan natin. Yung syntax is box plot. X is that your data followed by the arguments. Yan. These are the arguments. So, meron din siyang call. Meron din siyang with. Okay, try natin. Box plot, Irish. Sepal, tweet. Run. Okay. Yeah. Yun. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung minimum quartile is 2 point something based on sa data. Yung maximum is 4, yung median quartile is nasa 3. Yan yung box plot. Then, last is histogram. Ang histogram, the function is hist. Yan. So, one good thing about this IntelliSense, as you type the function, it will give you recommendations na ano bang gusto mong gawin. Tingnan mo. As I type HI, hindi pa niya alam. Type pa ng S, yan. Kasi merong history, merong hist by default. So let's use the hist. Irish cepal.with natin. Okay. And you will notice ginamit niya yung frequency. dito. So, tingnan natin yung ibang argument nito. X. Meron na. Frequency. I love. Cephalid. Yes. Main is not a parameter. Okay, look at this. Meron siyang error. Kasi hindi niya naintindihan yung main. Because R is case sensitive. So it should be small letter M. Ayan. Ito na siya. Cephalid frequency. Baliktad. The frequency. From Old Irish. Beta set. Cephalid. Lagyan pa natin na call. Yellow. Okay. So this is a basic data visualization in R. And of course, I will not be able to discuss everything about these different arguments kasi sobrang marami to and it will take us uh, more time to discuss this. Yung tinuturo ko lang yung commonly used and most of this are in statistics. Pero yung statistics is just one aspect of compubiology. Hindi naman tayo nakafocus dyan. Nakafocus tayo dun sa paggawa ng program that could analyze biological data. And one aspect of that is statistics with visualization. So yung tinuturo ko sa inyo ngayon, yung mga built-in functions that is about statistics that can perform data visualization. So if you will interpret this, ibig sabihin, ang sepal width na 3.0, siya yung may pinakamataas na frequency. Meron siyang 35 records na yung sepal width 3.0. So, kung i-check natin yung downloads, hanapin na lang natin yung Irish dataset. Irish dataset. We can download here. So, download data folder. So, Irish.data. So, it's here. Show. Yan. So, ang minamanipulate natin dito is sepal width. Natin. View. Irish. Ito. So, ibig sabihin nito yung cephalweed na 3.0. So, ibig sabihin, maraming 3.0 na cephalweed ang ano, sige, i-open natin sa Excel para makita nyo. So, comma, finish. Okay, ito siya. Alam ba ito ang cephalweed natin? Cephalweed is the second column. Wala. So we can arrange this. Ano ang mag-arrange? Sort. Sort. Ito. Sort. Largest to smallest. Expand. Okay. So yung 3 na value,
Wow, positive.
yan. Hello? Hello? May concern? May concern ba? Okay. Wala naman. So it's here. 58 to 58 to 58 to 146. So ibig sabihin ito 'yon. Yan. Kaya 50 to 146, that's around 88. So 88 times lumabas yung 3. That's why dito sa histogram, siya yung pinakamataas. O 35 nga dito. Tama ba? Baka mali yung label natin. Pero ito yung ibig sabihin yan. Sa 3.0, 3.9, siya yung may pinakamataas na frequency. Tama. Kasi sa ano lang naman tayo, sa Irish na cephalweed. Pero considering the type. Anyway, yung data kasi hindi natin analyze eh. And hindi ko rin in-analyze yung data. Pinakita ko lang kasi yung paano siya ginagawa yung code. Kasi iba pang aspeto yung data analysis. Ito, I'm just showing you ano yung mga built-in function for data visualization. Kasi part kasi ng data analysis is data cleaning. Data cleaning. Para mas ma-interpret natin yung data. Actually, this is one of my concern. Kasi sabi ko nga, during our first meeting, hindi ako biologist. So, probably mahirapan ako sa data interpretation. Pero, at least dun sa paggawa ng code, I can explain it to you. Pero sa data analysis, medyo pag-aaralan ko pa. Okay? Yan. So, saan tayo? So, any question?
Wala man po, sir.
Wala naman. Okay. So, naiintindihan naman? Yung focus ko dito, at least may i-discuss sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung R. Ano yung meron yung R. Again, dun sa data analysis, I'll try my best kung paano para maturuan ko paano siya interpret. Pero for sure, alam ko, mas marunong kayo mag-interpret compared sa akin kasi there are lots of terms or jargon sa biology na hindi ko rin naiintindihan. Tapos, pinakita ko naman sa inyo yung data sets kung saan siya kukunin. Kung meron kayong alam na biological data, pwede nyo isend sa akin. Tapos, ano natin kung ano yung pwedeng ma-extract doon na information. Okay? Ano pong gagawin pag hindi gumagana yung Irish? Ito para malabas pa rin yung error. Ibig sabihin niya, kung hindi mo na-download, probably yung internet connection is fluctuating. Kasi yung file itself is only 5 KB. So, kung dapat ma-download mo to, 5 KB lang to. Even sa phone, pwede to ma-download. What else? Save ko muna to na ano. Ito, kaya sinimplihan ko yung discussion dito. Kasi ang gusto ko lang malaman yung na may mga built-in function tapos may mga parameter. So, normally sa data visualization, yung first parameter niyan is your data. Anong gusto mong i-manipulate o i-visualize. Tapos, these parameters are included in the function para dun sa appearance niya in the output, pwede mong lagyan ng iba't ibang property. So here, I have presented 3 commonly used data visualization function. Yung last time, ang ginamit natin is plot. Plot ng X and Y. So, pwede pa rin yun. Simple. Di ba yan? Yung plot. Actually, meron pa dyan mga pie chart. Pero, again, yung function yan, depende pa rin sa data mo. Kasi I don't think, ang pie chart kasi is percentage, di ba? Yung presentation ng ano natin, ng data natin sa Irish dataset, iba naman. Ano siya, naka-data frame. Gagana dyan yung ano, yung pie chart, I believe. Pero yung data presentation niya, hindi mo masyado magagamit. So, yan natin. Meron siya pie chart. Pie chart. Ito, pie. Ano siyang pie chart? Draw a pie chart. So, pie, X, data, labels, edges, pages. Okay. So, gawin natin. So, yan yung pie chart. Pero again, hindi mo siya hindi mo siya ma-interpret o hindi mo siya basically siya mapakinabangan. Anong ibig sabihin niya, di ba? Kasi nga, ang isang data visualization tool may different ano siya, purpose. Depende rin sa data mo. Yung importante dito, you know that there's a function about graphics and data visualization, and all you need to do is to access this website or the help file of RStudio, and you can make use of this in your data manipulation. Okay. Sir, di po sa inyo gumana yung plot. Updated naman po yung graphics, nasa forum screenshot ng ARCO